It's been an incredible year here at NPTC Group of Colleges that has seen some amazing achievements from our fantastic students. So, on behalf of the student recruitment team, I would just like to say Merry Christmas one and all. Pass on the good cheer.
Merry Christmas to all our customers from Starbucks.
From everyone from student support across the college, Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd dda.
Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd dda o'n i gyd yn Centerprise.
From the best decorated office in NPTC Group of Colleges,
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas from Brickwork!
Five, six, seven, eight. Merry Christmas!
Nadolig Llawen from the Lee Stafford Academy of Hairdressing, Barbering and Applied Therapies. Merry Christmas!
From everyone here at Level 3 Sport in 2A,
Merry Christmas!
De la part de tous les étudiants de A-Level French, on veut vous souhaiter
Joyeux Noël!
Merry Christmas from the Pathway Cells!
Nadolig Llawen. Have a great Christmas break.